Hi, I'm OnboardLED Pin and this is a British Tech Guru channel. I have been working with my little robot, and there it is, and I've had it running about the place. Now this is a standard little chassis from Amazon and an L298N, but I've got that capacitor on there and one there on the output just so that it works better. I was advised that online. I didn't bother trying it without, but I think it does run quite well. And that, of course, is the Pi Pico W and a little motherboard I bought for it. I would show it running right now, but I'm out of Wi-Fi range. And I've been running it using my old iPhone as the controller, but it's telling me the site cannot be reached. And this, as I said, runs off Wi-Fi. And I've been quite happy with this. Now, I'm going to do something further with it, but I'm not quite sure what just yet. And right now, it's about 103 Fahrenheit or 40 degrees centigrade. So I'm pretty hot, pretty sweaty, so I'm not going to stay out here making videos for very long. But I've just wanted to break the news. This actually works, does what it's supposed to. And now, since I can control it like it's a radio controlled car, I have a little web page with buttons on it. As I said, the code came from explainingcomputers.com, and I just modified the code to make it do some of the stuff I wanted to do. One of the important things is to put a quit button in, because otherwise you'll be locked out of your Pi Pico. I did that, had to download some code from the Raspberry Pi website to wipe the Pico W, to wipe it, so I lost all the experimental software I had on it, but good thing there wasn't anything very important. So yeah, put a quit button in. Now mine is a quit button on the Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi for this is, or the Wi-Fi address, the local address is 192.168.1.72. Might be different on your network. Now what I could do for a quit button is wire between ground and shall we say GP1 or GP2, whatever, and put a code in to check for button 1, button 2, etc. And if button 1 is pressed, then they just call the exit statement out of Python. And once it exits, then I can get into it with Thonny to work on the code. I put the exit button on the screen with this, and as soon as I press the quit button, it brings up the quit module, the quit procedure, and exits the program. Then I can actually break into the code and start modifying it. Now, when I had no quit button, I would have to reformat the Pico every time to install the code, which was really quite annoying. So that works, and I'll have to think up the next bit, which is probably going to be a video camera on the front of it, and see where I go from there. And this has been OnboardLED with another thrilling and gripping video. I'll see you in the next one.